I just paid my last respects to a former Councilor Joshua Alim, who is a family friend of ours since the time of my dad when he was still a vice president until he became the president of the republic. And when I became a senator during my first term in 2004, Councilor Joshua Alim was there to assist me whenever I go here to visit the province of Iloilo. But at any rate, I will just take this opportunity to seek your help because I am again seeking for re-election this coming May 9, 2022. And rest assured, if ever I win, I have a lot of friends here in the province of Iloilo, especially si Congresswoman Janet and her husband si Richard. Si Richard kasi naging when I was president of LMP, when I was mayor of San Juan, mayor din si Richard, kaya we became close. At rest assured na kung sakasakaling manalo tayo, ay babawi ako, tutulong ako rito sa lalawigan na Iloilo. Maraming salamat po.